Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your viewing experience with the most insane monitor on the market? The LG 27UP850K-W 27-inch Ultrafine 4K UHD IPS monitor. This thing is a total game changer. With its stunning 4K display, you'll feel like you're right inside your favorite shows, movies, and games. The vibrant colors and crystal clear images will blow your mind. This monitor is incredibly well reviewed by countless customers who swear by its amazing performance. One of the key benefits is the 4K UHD HDR, which brings content to life with its high dynamic range. You'll feel like you're experiencing it all firsthand. The color gamut expression is staggering. With up to 95% DCI-P3, it's like having a masterpiece of art right in front of you. The colors are that vivid and rich. When you're watching your favorite sports team, the action will feel so real, you'll be on the edge of your seat. And with a stereo speaker and Waves Max audio, the sound will be bigger and bolder than ever. The monitor also has plenty of ports, including USB Type-C, DisplayPort, and 2 HDMI connections, so you can connect all your devices with ease. No more cluttered workspace or lost adapters. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or just someone who loves great tech, this monitor is the perfect choice. It's a total upgrade from anything else on the market. And trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to your old monitor again. It's a total revelation. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to experience the future of viewing with the LG 27UP850K-W. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.